Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Kat Cosgrove, and I will be your host for this weekly release team meeting. It is week 14, Wednesday, the 3rd of April. We are we're in the home stretch. We're closing in on the end of the release here. So as with all Kubernetes release team meetings, this meeting does fall under the purview of the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be excellent to each other. So please be chill. If you wouldn't want it recorded for all of eternity and posted on YouTube, definitely don't say it in this meeting. No open discussion items other than please add your comments and suggestions about this release to the 130 release retrospective doc. Good things, bad things, things that you think that we should maybe change for future cycles. And we'll get the next retro scheduled pretty shortly. In with the team updates. First up is enhancements.
Yeah. Hey everyone. Enhancement status is green. We don't have any other updates. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Any questions for the enhancements team? All righty. Next up is release signal.
Hey everyone. So our current status is yellow. The good news is our master blocking is green and master informing is also now green. It kept failing yesterday, but it's now green. But we are yellow because there's one critical issue that is a release blocking issue, and that is a work in progress PR. And we are hopeful that it will get closed out soon, then we'll be green again. So that's all we have for now, and we have tracked all of the issues in the board, bug crash board, and all of them are updated.
Okay. The one critical issue that's failing, that is the Windows issue that we said was also a blocker for release candidate 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Any questions for release signal? Alrighty. Moving on to docs.
Yes.
Hey,
Oh, is your internet working?
yeah, we'll find out whether it's working or not.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So the update from docs is green. Everything is mostly on track. Another branching was merged yesterday, and the preparation for finally putting up the docs on the website is underway. And the update from SIG cluster lifecycle look good. The QVarium docs, they look good right now. And folks from SIG docs or Drew and Ray will work together next week to generate the reference docs, and the link for the Slack discussion is in the summary. And the PR for adding 1.30 to the release schedule is up. It's waiting for an approved label. So that's the update from our side. And also not to forget that if anyone needs help from the release docs team, then please feel free to reach out to us and we'll see what we can help with. So that's the update from our side.
Okay, thank you. Are you saying that either Drew and Ray will work together or Chimeng will do it because you've had a hard time getting a hold of Chimeng on Slack?
I don't think so. I think we have a response.
Okay.
On Slack. Yep,
it's
we
that
have a response.
Chimeng has 2 different Slack accounts, and one of them he does not actually use. So it's easy to accidentally tag the wrong one and think that he's ignoring you, but he's not. He has 2 accounts. But yeah. you did get a hold of him now?
We have gotten a reply
okay.
in the thread. We got a reply from him.
Okay, good. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any questions for docs? Okay. Next up is release notes.
Hey everyone, our current status is green and we are currently debugging the RC0 PR due to some CREL issues. And as per the discussions in the Slack channel with Romodoro and Nina, I have to draft another PR, which I will be drafting soon. That's all.
Okay, when do you think that PR will be up?
in 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Any questions for release notes? All right, moving on to comms.
Hi everyone, Natalie from Comms here. Our status is green at the moment. All the missing sections from the kept descriptions from Monday have now been added, and reviews are continuing on the release blog from those missing sections. So that's all happening as we speak. And the blog was moved out of draft status yesterday as well. So that's we're pretty much ready in terms of getting it reviewed now. All missing sections are added. And then on top of that, the major themes for 130 have been communicated with the CNCF PR team as follows. I've linked the KEPs in there as well if folks want to take a look. And then finally, we're continuing with the feature blog reviews as well in terms of like helping and assisting. I know Kristen just did a couple of reviews today, which is great, with all of them having assigned publication dates as well.
All right, sick. Great job. Any questions for comms? Cool. And then release branch management. I know Mark is not actually here, but Maya is.
Yes, hi everyone. So nothing much is everybody's aware about like RC1 got released yesterday, so it was smooth as compared to earlier one. So yes, that's it. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Any questions for release branch management? All right. Grace is not here, and that is okay. For me, if you could please, if you've not like put in for your release swag, your sub-team lead should have sent you a link to a Google survey. If you have not filled that out yet for your release swag, please do so. The CNCF does order like only a set number of shirts and stickers and things. So if you do not fill out the form that your sub-team lead sent you, you will not be able to get one, unfortunately. Like I said in the form, their default option is to have you pick these up at KubeCon, but they do understand that not everybody can make it to KubeCon. I myself will not be at KubeCon North America. So after KubeCon North America, they will send us all individual store links that we can use to have them shipped to us for free. So even if you think that you're not going to be able to pick it up in person, if you think you might want a t-shirt, please fill out the thing that your sub-team lead sent you. And that'll get you one. We have nothing from SIG scalability. That's okay. They did update yesterday's, like this morning, and their status was green. Some test failures due to the delay in the 130 branch cut in performance tests repo, but that's being addressed. So we're not super concerned about that. Any questions for me or anything? Okay. Anything else we need discussed on the recording? Okay. Let's stop the recording. See you on YouTube.